Here are the winning products for February 2024. Now the first product is a Valentine's product, and it's this digital photo frame. Now in this video, it's advertising it for the best friend. So this is a perfect example of using a Valentine's product and using it to sell it outside of Valentine's. So during Valentine's, advertise it as for your spouse or partner, and then after Valentine's is over, so you don't get that reduction in sales, start advertising it for your best friend, for your mom, for your pet even. I've seen people use this for pet lovers, and they advertise it for that too. Now you could source it for $40. There's different variations on AliExpress depending on what supplier you're using it from. It can go anywhere from $30 to $40. That's what I've seen on the best. This website did a really good job on their website for selling this product. The only thing they're leaving out is upsells, and upsells is really going to determine your profit margin and increasing your AOV. And they're selling it for $94. So it leaves a good profit margin, but adding those upsells just increases that and helps you scale. What they could have done different was just use a higher quality image, but other than that, they did a pretty good job on their website. They have their reviews, they have their images, and it does the job. The second product, as you guessed it, is the Galaxy Rose. This is such a good product for Valentine's. I sold this last Valentine's and it did so well, and it will do well this Valentine's also. Now you could source it for $3 depending on the variant you use, so it really matters up to you. If you want to use one variant and upsell to another variant, you can do like a buy two get one free or something like that. This website is doing such a good job on that. They're selling it for about $50 right now, and they have their upsells. They are also adding the teddy bear rose that did also very well 2 or 3 years back, and they're upselling to adding a video greeting. The only thing that I would do for this website is change up the description, lose the wording, and put more images and GIFs, and also videos. The third product is this 3-color photo therapy for your face, and what it does, it helps your face tighten up, close pores. This is a perfect for the beauty niche, and it targets women, but you can also target men. Now this is started going trending in January. It's gonna keep trending towards the end of the year. You can source it for $3, but then again, depending on the supplier and where you're getting it from, I've seen anyone from $1 to $3, even a couple of cents. This website did a beautiful job on the product. This is the only thing I would change is probably the logo. Put a little bit more effort into the logo. The logo looks very basic. This isn't centered correctly. They do have their reviews and everything. The description looks very professional, and the images. You wouldn't need this anymore under buy now. No website has that anymore, but other than that, the website looks pretty good. Having a before and after testimonials is also very great. The fourth product is a perfect example of using that TikTok shop affiliate program. And so if you can see at the profile, it's not the actual seller that's selling this, it's a creator that is making a video so they can sell it, and they're taking a percentage. Now, as you can see, the virality of this product increased because it was a creator giving a testimonial on this product. It's just the creator using the product itself. Now there are different variations of this product. You can source it for $33, but there's different ones for cheaper. It really depends on what you want to go for and what videos you found on TikTok to sell those products. This shop is the shop that was connected to the TikTok shop affiliate. As you can see, the store is very basic, and they have a lot of work to do. So if they can make a viral video like that, you could also too, but just put a little more effort into the website, and that gives you more credibility than this website. Now the last product is Mario slippers, and this is not a niche specific product, but it is a wow product, as in it's a cool gadget to have. Now with TikTok, that is one category to find a winning product. So this is basically the function of the product, or the mushroom slippers, and you can put it in and it will form the mushroom from Mario with the pipe. You can source it for about $9, and their store is extremely basic. Now this is a perfect example of how you can differentiate yourself with the competitor. Just put more effort. Like I always say, put more effort in your store. You will get more sales than them. That's just how it is. Wherever you put more effort into and making yourself better from the competitor, you will always get the more value and the more sales and the more credibility with. Now they only have 7 reviews, so I would suggest before collecting reviews, if you have no reviews, just import them, and then later on ask for reviews from your customers. Now the most they did was add a little trademark or a watermark on their images, but other than that they didn't really do it. It looks like they just imported the photos from AliExpress or Google. Now that's it for the winning products. I kept this video very short so you can hop onto these products as soon as possible. I wanted you to watch the full video, that's why I went through them really quickly. If you have any questions about the products, just write in the comments below. With that, until next time.